So what we've seen so far is additive manufacturing is the process of adding material to form the finished product, such as clay sculpting or 3D printing. Subtractive manufacturing is the process of removing material from a larger piece to create the finished part, such as you did in your machine shop course where you drilled things, put them on the milling machine or turned them. It can also be done through grinding or EDM, electric discharge machining. Additive manufacturing, also known as rapid prototyping, is just a group of technologies and techniques which are used to quickly fabricate a scale model of a physical part or assembly, typically from a CAD or computer-aided design data. And the construction of this part or assembly is typically done using what's known as a 3D printer or additive layer manufacturing technology. In 1981, a breakthrough occurred in prototyping methods, wherein Hideo Kodama published information regarding the manufacturing of a solid printed model. A few years later, stereolithography, or SLA, was patented by Charles Hall. This technique involves the creation of models by curing a liquid polymer resin using UV lasers. And Hall later commercialized his first rapid prototyping system, which greatly reduced the time for designers and engineers to create 3D concepts and prototypes. In 1989, Scott Crump invented fused deposition modeling, or FDM technology. He then formed Stratasys Incorporated, one of the larger players in the rapid prototyping industry.